What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel, and we have some Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 news. This watch is apparently supposed to be a little bit more energy efficient and have a little bit more storage than the Galaxy Watch 3. In my personal opinion, I think Samsung should probably go with making all of their watches, whether it be the Active series or just the Galaxy Watch series, just make them all look like the Galaxy Active series. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this bulky look. I know some might be who have bigger wrists, but I'm always on the go. I'm an active guy, so I like the active look of them. But also, I believe most people use their smartwatches for the features as far as taking phone calls, getting text messages, and some wearable watch features here and there. I don't think people really invest that deep in the actual storage of the watch, so I don't know if increasing that storage will do much of a difference as far as putting these products out and selling them to people. I don't think that's really a selling point. I think it's the compatible apps, the overall look of it, and just the plain functionality of being able to get phone calls, text messages, and some wearable compatible features between your watch and your phone. But this is just a quick update for you guys. If you're interested in this watch, it's going to be a little bit more bulky, but it will have extra storage space if you need it. But I think the primary feature will probably just be the speed and the capabilities and compatibility between the watch and the phone. But that's it for this video. Short and sweet, always. You know I like to keep it that way. As always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.